Okay, what we got this morning. So I got one rooftop that's not heating the basement. You can hear airflow there. Airflow there. It's got to be that one. It's heating, but no airflow. I don't even hear a motor. Or do I? Nope. So, strap you on the head here. I don't even know what panel's what. Don't even know which panel's which. Is it marked? Not this panel. I don't think it would be. Let's give panel number 1 a try. Old rooftops from the 80s. And that's the compressor section. Let's try this one. And that's big screw, big screw. Well, it's not behind door number whatever here. Striking out. Yeah, I got. This one and this one, the fan's running. It's this back one over here. No. Dude, I don't know where the fan is on this damn thing. That's coil. This burner section. What the heck? Where's the fan? Let me find the fan on this thing. Oh, I found the fan. If you look way back there, there's a wire off the limit. But I don't think that's going to cause a problem. So let me see why my fan's not going. But I got to put that wire back on the limit back there. Kill power to this thing. Where's the power? That's kind of weird, but whatever. Jeez, oh Pete. Cold up here this morning, man. Cold. Let's see what we got behind door number 1 or 5 by now. I'm assuming I got one compressor, two compressors, one compressor, two compressor, and there's my fan. My fan contactor. Let's spark some power to this thing here and see what it does. Holy shit! Oh, she got a bad belt. I got a bad belt. Oh, the fucking thing is twisted. But that's why it shook the damn thing loose. That thing on that limit, the speak connector. Damn. Oh, the belt is fucking twisted. The belt is twisted. All right, let me get the belt off of there. That's gonna be a chore. Look at this pan. I think she's seen her day. Seen her day. I think it just leaks out the side, or maybe in the ductwork. So the belt's a little wasted. Well, let me go get a belt. Let me get a belt, and we'll get this puppy going. That was the only thing. I'm gonna change that contactor out too. The contactor is wasted. It's all pitted and rotted. So I'll get myself a contactor and a belt, and we'll get this thing up and running. Alright, so I got the belt on there. And let's see. Take an amp draw on that once we're done. Seems a little tight, but I gotta change that contactor out. That thing's toasted. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this or not. Stupid Phillips screws. big old rooftop, no room to put shit. There we go. There we go. You know what the amp draw on this motor should be. Thank God for cell phones. Let's see what the amp draw should be. I don't know if I'm running 460. No, the wire's too big. I'm running 208, 240. .4. Yeah, 13.4. And these wires numbered? No. Okay, they're right there. So let me get the doors back on here. Get an amp draw on this thing. Oh, it's a little cold up here this morning. What the cold, man, a little cold. Oh. Old Trane rooftop. But at least it's not as cold as it's going to be this weekend. It's supposed to be colder. And this is a church. They want to get this thing done before Sunday. And we got this one. Nice rotted pan. Make sure you don't break that off. So much rot, the thing don't want to go back together. I'm just going to throw one screw in it for right now because I might have to adjust that. I might have to adjust the motor. Oh, everything's stiff. It's cold. It's cold, man. It's cold. We'll see what we got here. And we are 11.81, so we are good. I think we had 13. Yeah, good there. Come out of there. Yep. Under our specification, so we are good to go there. We're chooching. We got some chooch going on, so we got the heat back on. Right on, man, right on. Old Trane gets to live another day. Electrical pan. panel on before I don't want to electrocute myself. I think. And that other screw drops somewhere. Oh, let me get this back together. Get that other screw in there. We're done on this one, which is good. Because I don't like being on the roof. It's cold.
Interstate 69, westbound. Interstate 94, westbound.
That was just a quick belt change, contactor change on a rooftop. Little church we take care of. They had to get heat before Sunday Mass, which is understandable, and they had some ladies working in the basement. I think they're actually making some masks. They were sewing away. They had like 4 different sewing machines down there, and I think they were just like actually making some homemade masks for the church.
Go straight ahead. Interstate 69,
so
westbound. Interstate
got that
94,
taken care of,
westbound.
and we are on to the next one.
Take the second left.
And we'll get some video on that. I think we're gonna change the anode rod out. We got to bleach a tank because it's stinky. And we will go from there. But thanks guys, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.
Turn left, then